Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show the complete editing process to create a final video. So far we have created different scenes using video generation tools. In this video, we are going to bring all the scenes together to make it a final video. So what I'm doing is I'm using a software or tool called CapCut, which is quite famous. You can download it from internet and install it on your computer for your editing purpose. So once you open CapCut interface, you see an option called create project. So click on create project here. So once you click on create project, you will see all these options on the screen. You see all these options on the screen. So before you import all the files into CapCut, please make sure that you have all the scenes ready. You have all the scenes ready: scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5. And you also give the right description or wording for all the scenes so that you can bring all the scenes together instead of mixing it up. So I'm going back to CapCut, and on the top you see media, audio, text, stickers, effects, transitions, captions, filters, and all the other options. All you need to do is click on import. Once you click on import, select the folder where you have all the scenes. See, we have all the scenes like scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5. So select all the scenes for your particular video and click on open. And once you click on open, all the scenes will be uploaded into CapCut. Now what you need to do is you should move all these files to the timeline to start editing. So all you need to do is put your cursor and drag it. Once you drag it, all the scenes will be imported, all the scenes will be moved to the timeline. So this is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5. So if you want to just play and see how it looks like, this is how it looks like. This is scene 1. This is scene 2. This is scene 3. This is scene 4. And this is final scene, scene 5. So in CapCut, you have various options. If you want to do some editing, you can do it. If you want to trim some scenes, you can do it. So let's say for example, you want to trim the scene. If you want to trim the scene, all you need to do is use your cursor, put it here and drag it to the left. It is going to trim the scene. Okay, I'm just doing it as an example. We don't have to trim the scenes. So at any point in time, let's say you want to remove this scene, all you need to do is right click and you can delete. Okay, so you have various options to trim, you can delete, you can undo, redo, you can do all these things. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some music to this particular video. So here you see an option called audio here. I'm going to click on audio. So once you click on audio, you see various options here. I'm going to select commercial and I'm going to say cinematic. And I'm going to see what are all the options that I will see now. Okay, I see all this on the screen. I'm going to play this video and see, play this. This doesn't look that interesting. So I'm going to play the next one. This looks okay. We can definitely use this. Let's check the next one. Let's check the next one. It's not so interesting. Let's check the next one. So I think I like this more. This looks very pleasant. This looks quite pleasant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this file to the timeline. I'm going to move this file to the timeline. Okay. So if you see now, this is like 3 minutes music file, 3 minutes music file. As I said before, we can trim the file. So all you need to do is put your cursor there and move it to the left. Move it to the left and then stop it at 30 seconds. Stop it at 30 seconds. Now let's play and see how it goes. Alright, this looks okay. So when we have a lot of time, what we can do is we can check a lot of music files and select one of the music files that you like the most. Since this is like a video that I am making, I am just selecting some random music file to make this video. So this music file or this track seems okay for me. But if you see now, the volume is a bit loud. So what you can do is you can put your cursor here. You can put your cursor here and drag it down. See, this is the volume setting. Just put your cursor and drag it down. If you drag it down, the volume should be low now. Now let's play and see how it sounds like. So if you see now, the volume is quite low. It's not so loud. It is quite low. So this way you can edit your video. You can edit your video so that when you give narration to the video, when you give narration or voiceover to the video, your voice will be quite clear. It will not sound distorted or something. It will sound very clear. Okay, so what we have done, we have imported the scenes onto the computer, onto the CapCut software, and we have also selected some audio file to this particular video, and we have also customized the volume. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to create narration or voiceover so that we can add our voiceover to this particular video so that it will sound better. Okay, I'm going to do that in the next video in front of you. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.